Johnny Copeland, and Robert Cray. Yeah, Black Cat Bone. We used to do it quite a bit, but I hadn't played it in a while, but here we go.
Said I believe my baby got a black cap on. Seems like everything I do, seems like I'm doing it wrong. Well, I tried so hard, get along with that woman of mine. Well, I tried so hard, get along with that woman of mine. Seems like the harder I try, she's always going around cheating land. I walked all the way from Dallas down to Wichita Falls. I gotta think I'm not a big-legged woman, and I wanna walk it out 'cause I believe my baby got a black cap on. Seems like everything I do, seems like I'm doing it wrong, yeah. From Dallas down to Wichita Falls, I gotta think I'm not a big-legged woman, and I wanna walk it out 'cause I believe my baby got a black cap on. Seems like everything I do, seems like I'm doing it wrong. Said I believe my baby got a black cap on. Seems like everything I do, seems like I'm doing it wrong, yeah. Seems like everything I do, seems like everything